Hello friends, today we will read about the inborn diseases of metabolism. What is inborn errors of metabolism? Inborn errors of metabolism form a group of genetic diseases that mainly involves congenital disorders of metabolism. A congenital disorder is a medical condition that is present at or before birth. Disorders of metabolism includes the handling of amino acids, lipids, carbohydrates, and nucleic acids. What are the main cause behind this? Let's see. Because of the inheritance of a mutated gene, which codes for an enzyme that was responsible for normal metabolism, which converts one metabolite to other. Now due to mutation in a gene, instead of normal enzyme, abnormal enzyme will form, that leads to abnormal metabolites. Let's understand. With an example of Niemann-Pick disease, in this disease, there is a mutation in a gene, named as sphingomyelin phosphodiesterase 1 gene, or abbreviated as SMPD1 gene, leads to deficiency of enzyme sphingomyelinase in or body, which results in the accumulation of harmful quantities of lipids in spleen, liver, lungs, bone marrow, and brain, as shown in photograph on right, in which enlargement of abdomen, due to the deposition of lipids in liver. Let's have a look for some diseases. First we will talk about Alkaptonuria. Alkaptonuria is a metabolic disorder caused by the inactivity of single gene, known as homogentisate 1,2 dioxygenase gene or HGD gene. This HGD gene is responsible for the production of an enzyme homogentisate 1,2 dioxygenase, which helps in the breakdown of homogentisic acid into malolacetoacetic acid. Now if mutation occur in HGD gene, no enzyme will form, that results in the accumulation of homogentisic acid in the body. What happens after the accumulation of homogentisic acid? As homogentisic acid is rapidly cleared from the body by the kidneys, patient excrete large amount of alkapton, or homogentisic acid in urine. On exposure to light, urine turns to black, which is also known as black urine disease. Apart from that, it also slowly accumulates in the various tissues of the body, especially in the connective tissues such as cartilage, that mainly leads to damage that tissues. Here are some photographs to show various symptoms in Alkaptonuria, like achronosis. In this disease, blue patches appear on the body due to the accumulation of homogentisic acid in various tissues, as shown in picture below. While kidney stone, back bunch also is symptoms of this disease. Now, let's talk about another example of inborn error of metabolism, i.e. phenylketonuria. Phenylketonuria is another inborn error of metabolism which inherited as a recessive trait in next generation, that results in decreased metabolism of the amino acid, phenylalanine. There is an enzyme, phenylalanine hydroxylase, which are responsible for the metabolism of phenylalanine. This enzyme mainly coded by a gene, known as PA gene, which is located on chromosome number 12. And this enzyme is responsible for the conversion of phenylalanine into tyrosine. As we know that our body needs tyrosine to create neurotransmitters such as epinephrine, norepinephrine and dopamine. Now, let's look about the cause of phenylketonuria. In homozygous recessive condition, or if mutation occur in both the alleles, P, of the gene Pa, then enzyme, phenylalanine hydroxylase will not be produced in the right amount, which results in the accumulation of phenylalanine in the body. Due to this, the tyrosine products will not form, or maybe form in less amount. Let's look at some symptoms of phenylketonuria. In this disease, the child born with PKU is normal. But, after subsequently intake of phenylalanine in their diet, leads to the accumulation of toxic metabolites of phenylalanine metabolism, i.e. phenylpyruvic acid, which results in mental retardation, which is also known as Falling's disease. In addition to this, when phenylalanine is not converted into tyrosine, results in low level of melanin, due to which, child born with some abnormalities like blonde hair, blue eyes, and lack of pigmentation in brain, also called substantia nigra,